and then I'm going to slowly insert it inside, okay? Nothing at all, just as if you're taking a tap. Open wide, tongue down. And that's it. And drink. Fantastic. It's inside. Drink, keep drinking. It's inside. Abdul, it's done. Finished. Now we confirm the balloon's in place. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna fill it up with the 550 cc's of saline, like I told you. You're gonna feel some nice refreshing feeling of water running down your throat and esophagus. Yeah? The balloon is absolutely full. We're gonna take you back again to the x-ray just to make sure it's in the right place. Just move forward for me, please. Just come here after the x-ray, and that's it. All right, Abdul, all is perfect. I'm gonna now remove the tube, okay? That's it.